Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of How to DIY RC. In today's episode of the Eachine E58 I have a hard case upgrade. So we can travel around with the E85 without breaking any props, any arms or damage the quad. And we have a nice place to keep our spare batteries and other spare parts. And it's made for the E85, sold by Eachine, so it should fit like a glove. As you can see, you get an inserted foam piece. Here we put the transmitter, here we're gonna put the quad. And the hard case is made of flexible plastic with fake carbon, of course. But it looks pretty nice. We got a good zipper. And we got a place to put some props and batteries and everything. So that looks all pretty nice. Now we can travel around with the E85 without damaging it, because the standard box is only something that you can use temporarily. It's not built from really quality and will fall apart eventually. Let's fold up the quad and see how good it fits. Like a glove. Exactly, perfectly made for the E85. And I'm going to transport everything, like the transmitter. Should go all the way around, just enough place for the fake antennas. I got some batteries. I don't know if this is meant for the arms, perhaps. Maybe you can put a few spare arms over here. But for now I'm gonna put the batteries, because it's isolated, keep them nice and warm, because I don't like the cold, because it's freezing cold out today. Then we got a bag for all of the spare props, the screwdriver and the charging cable. It can fit right there. And yes, I am keeping the prop savers with me, because the props are not really that strong and they're a little bit flimsy and break off pretty quick. I found out after a couple of flights of hard landings. Well, let's close it up. Make some room, because the motors are sticking out from the E85. Can't get them in perfectly flat. So you need to keep some empty space on this side. And you cannot stuff it full. But everything fits. We got a really nice case and a handle to hold it on. Yeah, I really like it. It's pretty nice, and now I can take it with me anywhere I go and don't have to worry about damaging the quad. I want to say, if you're interested in taking your quad with you all the time, then follow the links down below, because it's a pretty good case for the money. And I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, I'll give it a thumbs down. And I hope you subscribe for the next episode, where we're going to do a range test and a range booster antenna modification.